So hi everyone, you can see this is the breadboard which is helpful to make the electronic circuit connections. You can check whether the circuit is going to perform or not with the help of breadboard. So let us know what are the parts of the given breadboard. So you can see this is the white board. It consists of many number of dots. So first, if you consider this section, the middle part, which is divided in two parts. So here we can see the 5 dots in vertical direction, 1 2 3. So these dots are connected vertically using metal strip. And if you see here, these are the row having 60 dots. Here the number has been given 5, 10, 15 up to 60 dots are there in this one line. So they are marked with A, B, C, D, E. So you can rotate this breadboard and you can use here. So here also marked with the alphabets F, G, H, I, J. So these are the dots which are connected vertically. So if you take the 5 dots, 1 2 3 4 5, these are made in one group. So like that 5 dots in a column are connected vertically. So similarly the below lines here, these vertical lines were divided into two parts. This is what the divider, where there is no connection between them. So if we consider above and below lines, so here which is divided into 4 parts here. From here, first, second, third, fourth, 5. Here are the 5 sections which are made in one group, and these dots again here 5 dots are there which are connected in rows. So here the dots are connected in rows, and here the middle part, here the rows dots are connected in column, or vertically they are connected by metal strip. So here if we take, this is the one section where all the dots are connected using metal strip in a single line. Okay, here also the same in this section. So but internally they are not connected here. So like this divider, internally these parts are not connected. Especially these above and below lines are used for the ground connection, or for the power. We used to call them as a power lines. And here also same. These dots are connected in rows using metal strip. So this is all about the vertical and horizontal lines on the breadboard. So actually if we turn this breadboard, here we will have the connections for the metal strip. It is packed, so we cannot observe internal connection. So if we want to connect any of the op-amp or IC, integrated circuit, then we have to connect across this divider. Okay, we should not supposed to connect here the integrated circuits. So we this divider is given to make the connection for ICs. And if we want to connect a resistor, then we should not connect in vertical direction like this. So we have to connect these metal strip in this way. Okay. So if we want to measure the power across the terminals, we should connect. If we are connecting LED, we can connect across these terminals. So first you should know how to make the connections using these vertical or the horizontal lines.